It is named after a goddess of the moon, yet it is born from the evaporated tears of ancient oceans. It is solid, yet it looks like frozen light. This is not just a crystal. It is a physical piece of purity, a tool that cleanses everything it touches. This is the journey of selenite, the stone of liquid light. Our story begins millions of years ago, in vast, shallow seas. As the climate changed, these ancient bodies of water slowly evaporated, leaving behind massive deposits of gypsum salt. Over eons, under immense pressure, groundwater dissolved and redeposited these minerals, allowing them to grow into the beautiful, fibrous crystals we know as selenite. Its milky, pearlescent sheen comes from the way light gets trapped and bounces between its long, parallel crystalline structures. It is, quite literally, crystallized water and time. The most famous source of selenite is the Naka mine in Chihuahua, Mexico, home to the legendary Cave of Crystals, where gigantic selenite beams grew to over 11 meters long in a water-filled cavern. Today, most of the selenite we see comes from vast deposits in Mexico, the USA, and Morocco, often carved into wands, towers, and plates. Named after Selene, the Greek goddess of the moon, this crystal has always been associated with the divine feminine, purity, and connection to higher realms. In spirituality, selenite is the ultimate cleanser. It is linked to the crown and third eye chakras, clearing away energetic blockages, quieting mental chatter, and opening a direct line to angelic consciousness and higher guidance. It doesn't amplify energy, it purifies and clarifies it. So, how do you use this powerful tool? The most common use is as an energetic charger. Place your other crystals, like amethyst or citrine, on a selenite plate overnight to cleanse and recharge them. Wave a selenite wand around your body to clear your aura after a stressful day. Or simply place a selenite tower in your room to create a constant atmosphere of peace and serenity. Be gentle, however. As a soft, salt-based mineral, selenite can be scratched easily and will dissolve in water. From an evaporated ancient sea to a beacon of pure white light, selenite is a profound teacher. It shows us that even after the waters recede, their essence can remain, transformed into a solid form of clarity and peace. It is a reminder that to connect with the light, we must first clear away the noise.